Charlene here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will actually show you how I blow dry my hair and style it at the same time using just one hair tool. So to tell you the truth, I actually don't enjoy blow drying my hair. So I kept researching and then I found these videos on YouTube. So these lovely ladies were reviewing the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer hot air brush. And when I was watching them, they were all actually loving the product. They were all amazed with the performance of the product and with the results that they get from it. So I actually wanted to buy it and I kept looking, but for some reason it wasn't available in Australia. But I found a knockoff version on eBay and Amazon, but I wasn't really confident with the knockoff versions, obviously. So I did more research and I found videos on YouTube where they're actually comparing the knockoff version and the original version, and they actually look the same. So this is how the knockoff version looks like. They were saying that they work exactly the same. So I was very interested, and since I only found the knockoff version online, I decided to buy it and I fell in love with it. Like, it was so good, it was so easy to use, it was so quick to dry my hair and style it at the same time, and it gives me volume as well. I'm actually really happy with the product and I have been using it for a while now. It gives me results like, you know, as if I just came out from a salon. So yeah, this is how it looks like after I blow dry my hair. And if you want to know how I style my hair and achieve, like, you know, the salon blowout style, then just please keep on watching. I just finished my shower and I'm just trying to towel dry my hair. What it does is it just soaks up the excess water that my hair has at the moment. While I do this, I usually do my makeup or do some other things and then come back and start using this baby to dry my hair. So in that way, I actually finish getting ready so much quicker because I don't have to spend a lot of time drying my hair and then do my makeup and then style my hair. So I'll show you how I do that. It has 3 settings. I'm gonna let you hear what it sounds like when it's on low, medium, and high. So this is low. So low is actually what they have for the cool setting. So it's as powerful as high, but it's not gonna be hot. And then medium is still hot, but not as powerful as high. So those are the difference. Now I'm just gonna start blow drying my hair. So what I usually do is just brush my hair from the bottom so I don't damage it as much. Your hair is very vulnerable when they're wet, so you just slowly work your way to the top. And then what I would do now is just section my hair into 2. I'll just start from my ears and then just take the top half of my hair and then I'll just get them out of the way. And then I only have the bottom half now, and I'll just make sure that my hair doesn't have any tangles. I've got the left section and the right section, and I like to use it on medium, so that's what I'm going to be using now. I also like to spray my hair with a heat protectant spray. This is the Tresemme Heat Tamer Protective Spray, because even though I'm only blow drying my hair, I'm still using heat. I'm still applying heat on it, so I... ends for now so they don't get in the way. And then I'll start from the back. I'll get a section like this. I'll use the other clip to clip this one. And ta-da! I forgot to explain. So with the top section, what I want to do is blow dry them like this, so it's from the back going to my face, because that would give me more volume once it's dry. So that's my explanation.